Good day, everyone. I am Janica Valera, and now I am going to discuss the measures of central tendency. But before that, let me first define what is statistics and what is the relevance of statistics in the field of social work. When we hear statistics as well as statistical analysis, we commonly think that it is used in research. Well, that is true. It is used by social scientists to study the attitudes of groups of people, and this is often through the use of focus groups, questionnaires, and polls. These studies result in statistics, qualitative as well as quantitative. Statistics is important as it helps in problem solving in the society. So generally, statistics is important tool in many different fields, especially in social work. It is basically used to understand empirical research, disseminate the research result, evaluation of practice, and also promotes the client's interest. So the statistics will help us future social workers to assess the quality of services for a group of people through determining the people's needs in a society. Methods of statistics will allow workers to determine what areas in the society needs more intervention and attention as well. So now let us proceed to the measures of central tendency in statistics. So when we say measures of central tendency, it is the average of any given set of data. So we can get the average in a set of data through three different ways. Measures of central tendency can be identified the centrality of a given data set, and this includes the mean, the median, and the mode. So now we will discuss each one of this. So let us first start with the mean. The mean is also known as arithmetic mean. The mean summarizes an entire data set with a single number representing the data center point or a typical value. As the measures clusters around each other, a single value appears to represent distinctively the total measures. It is, however, affected by extreme measures, that is, very high or very low measures can easily change the value of the mean. So, the mean is the most commonly used measures of central position, such as getting your final grades in school. Mean is just easy to calculate because you will just add up all the numbers then divided by how many numbers are there. So, I will give you an example later on. So this is the formula in getting the mean. We have the x bar is equal to the summation of x, or the sum of the measures, divided by the n, which is the number of values or the population. So now let us proceed to our examples. This is the first example. The age of 10 elderly people in one of the sitios in barangay are 87, 84, 85, 85, 86, 90, 79, 82, 78, and 76. So what is the mean or the average of the 10 elderly people? So in order to get the mean, you have to sum up all the given values and divide it into the number of values, which is 10. So when you sum up all the given values, it will total to 832, and you will divide it into 10 to get the mean, which is 83.2. So basically, that is just how easy to get the mean. So now let us proceed to the median. So the median is the middle entry or the term in a set of data arranged in either increasing or decreasing order. The median is a positional measure, thus the values of an individual measures in a set of data do affect to less of it. It affected by the numbers of measures and not by the size of the extreme values. The median is also easy because you will just arrange it in order and just get the middle value. To find the median of a given set of data, take note of the following. First, arrange the data in either increasing or decreasing order. It doesn't mean if it is increasing or decreasing as long as it is in order. Second, locate the middle value. If the number of cases is odd, the middle value is the median. If the number of cases is even, take the arithmetic mean of the two middle measures. So if it is just odd, you will just get the middle values, while if it is even, you will get the two middle values and then get the average of it. So let us proceed to the first example. The number of books borrowed in the library from Monday to Friday last week were 58, 60, 54, 35, and 97 respectively. So find the median. So first step, you have to arrange the number of the books borrowed in increasing order. After that, you have to find the middle value, which is the 58. So the median is 58. So let us now proceed to the next example. Cora is studying in a certain university under the program of social work, and the following are her quizzes for the second quarter. We have 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, and 7. Find the median. So in order to find the median, you have to arrange the scores in increasing order. So since the number of measures is even, then the median is the average of the two middle scores. So since the number is even, therefore there are two middle values. So in order for us to get the median, we have to get the average of the two middle values. So we have 7 plus 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 7.5. So that is our median. So now let us proceed to the mode. The mode is the measure or value which occurs most frequently in a set of data. It is the value with the greatest frequency. So this is also easy because you will just get the values that occurs most often. To find the mode of a set of data, you need to first select the measure that appears most often in a set. Second, if two or more measures appear the same number of times and the frequency they appear is greater than any other measures, then each of these values is a mode. First mode is unimodal and second is bimodal. Third, if every measure appears the same number of times, then the set of data has no mode. So now let us proceed to our first example. The shoe sizes of 10 randomly selected youth in a shelter are 6, 5, 4, 6, 4.5, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 6. So what is the mode? So the mode is 6, since it is the shoe size that occurred most number of times, and it is unimodal. So now let us proceed to our next example. The sizes of 9 classes in a certain school are 50, 52, 55, 50, 51, 54, 55, 53, and 54. So the answer, there are modes. The modes are 54 and 55 since the two measures occurred the same number of times and the distribution is bimodal. So that is how easy to get the mode. So that's it for my discussion about the measures of central tendency. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!